Alright, today we're going to take a quick look at the new BrewBuilt Pro Spunding valve, review some of the features of it, and do a quick teardown, show you how it works and how to put it all back together. Pretty chunky piece of equipment. Great for anything from a 7-gallon X1 up to some of our much larger Pro tanks. You can take care of it pressure fermentations on pretty much any of those. So, getting to the teardown, reservoir just cracks right off like that. Then you're down to the body itself. Got a nice grip here, so you don't actually have to struggle as much to undo this. The main body is actually scaled, so you can see exactly what your set point is. Right now, right there, it's set pretty perfectly to about 12, but using this, you can actually set your release pressure for your fermentation, which is fantastic. Instead of having to completely undo this if you want to release pressure in the tank, you also have little plunger system here, which disengages the seal, allowing for full pressure release, so you can manually control that if you want to, let go of the pressure in the tank without having to completely undo any clamps or fittings. So, continuing on, unthread this guy. It's actually really easy to unthread. It's surprising for how hefty of a piece of equipment this is, especially with the big spring holding it all together. So, from here, you've got this main piece. You can go ahead and hold onto the shaft, undo this, then it just comes right apart. Inside of the top, you can see there's actually a bearing ring, which is part of the reason why that works so smoothly. Alright, so continuing on, got the main body itself. That undoes, giving you more access to the whole thing. Here, the bottom system unthreads. That will drop out the plunger system. And if you need to get in there for anything else, you can unscrew there and do a little extra cleaning. And then even this is just press fit, but you do still have an additional layer to take apart if you want to get fully cleaned in here. So that's pretty much the teardown. These are the internal components of this thing. If you want to get to the level of truly cleaning everything, scrubbing it down for whatever reason, pretty easy to take it all apart. So, reversing the process, so, pretty important part. This guy sits right up in the top here. So, gonna need to make sure that actually sits in there. Yeah, and there you have it. New BrewBuilt Pro Spunding valve, teardown, feature set, and put back together. Happy fermentations.